Hi, let's talk about send protocol. When you have noisy environment, long wires, use sensors equipped with send. It is just 3 wires, 5 volt, data and ground. Send sensor continuously sends data packets. Packet is sync field, status, data that is up to 3 bytes, 6 nibbles and CRC. 1 nibble is exactly 4 bits of data. Each nibble starts with a low pulse, 0 volt, then wire goes high. The total time from one falling edge to the next corresponds to the value of the nibbles you transmit. Signal is measured in clock ticks, typically 3 microseconds each. If you want to transmit logical 0, it is 12 ticks long. 1 is 13, 2 14, and so on up to 27 ticks. Sensor has open rain output. It pulls the line to ground. On receiver side, pull-up resistor to 5 volt is used to bring the signal back up. If you need to talk to 3.3 chip, just add voltage divider resistors to ground in the end of the RC filter. If you want to play with send, check open source USB to send converters from Microcam. This converters gives you plug and play ability to receive and transmit send signals. It has USB-C connector. After plugging, it is discovered as a serial port, so no additional drivers are needed. You can use any terminal software to work with the device. There is also viewer tool that lets you configure and tag to the device. If you want to use send in your embedded device, use OpenSend C library.